Okay, so we've talked about focusing on a few important OKRs. We've talked about collaboratively cascading our OKRs down through the organization. The next thing we want to focus on is making our OKRs transparent. So OKRs should be transparent throughout the organization from the very top, to the very, very bottom. So I could be the lowest level employee at an organization, and I should be able to look at the CEO's OKRs. I should know what the CEO is focusing on accomplishing. I should be able to look at my direct manager's OKRs. I should be able to look at their manager's OKRs. I should be able to look at some random person from a different department. I should be able to see their OKRs. OKRs at every level should be transparent at every level throughout the organization. Why? Why do we want our OKRs to be transparent? Well, one reason is to reduce the need for meetings. That when information is transparent, when it's out there, when everyone can see it, we don't have to have meetings to discuss it. And we all know how awful meetings are most of the time, and how the larger and more complex an organization is, the more meetings you need to share information. Well, meetings are not the only way to share information. Another way to share information is to post it up in an OKR system, whatever that looks like within that organization, but just to make it transparent where everyone has access to it. This facilitates vertical alignment, right? If I can look at my boss's goals and their boss's goals and their boss's goals and their boss's goals all the way up the organization, I really can understand what the organization as a whole is trying to accomplish and what my part in that is. It also facilitates horizontal alignment as well. I spent too long making this graphic and it does not communicate what I want it to. Okay, these black dots are supposed to be teams, and we've got the black lines, which are alignment within the team, and then we have the green line, which is alignment between teams. All I'm trying to say is when goals are transparent, you understand who's working on similar things to you, who you can contribute to, and who can contribute to you to help get your project done. When you have that high-level view of what's going on in the entire organization, you can create linkages between individuals across departments, between teams across departments, and it's very helpful not just for creating vertical alignment from the top to the bottom of the organization, but horizontal alignment across the organization, as this graphic clearly demonstrates. Transparent OKRs also help to eliminate redundancy. If you're working on something and you see that someone else has the exact same OKR, then you don't need to do that. Or a very similar OKR, or an OKR that would render your OKR obsolete. So you can see everyone else's OKRs. You can make sure that you're not working at cross purposes and not doing redundant work either. Now, even though OKRs are collaboratively set and you can make these linkages vertically and horizontally, it's really important that each OKR has a single owner, a single person who's responsible for the achievement of it. Because then someone has the responsibility, the initiative, they're going to be held accountable for the OKR, so they make sure that it gets done. If you split up responsibility for OKRs across multiple people, then you can split up both the blame for failure and the responsibility for success.